Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Physics Content Knowledge exam? This is Praxis test code 5266. This problem set covers the subtopic of nature and impact of science and engineering. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which physicist is credited with the development of the uncertainty principle? Newton, Maxwell, Heisenberg, or Tesla? Newton is best known for his laws of motion and universal gravitation, not the uncertainty principle. Maxwell is famous for his work in electromagnetism, particularly Maxwell's equations. Tesla, while a brilliant inventor, is not associated with the uncertainty principle either. Therefore, the correct answer is Heisenberg, who is credited with the development of the uncertainty principle, a fundamental concept in quantum mechanics that states the impossibility of knowing both the position and momentum of a particle with absolute precision simultaneously. Question number 2. During a physics lab, students conducted an experiment to explore the relationship between the force applied to an object, x, and the acceleration of the object, y. Assuming the mass of the object remains constant, which of the following conclusions about the relationship between force and acceleration is supported by Newton's second law of motion? X and y have a direct linear relationship. X and y have an inverse linear relationship. X and y have a direct nonlinear relationship, or X and y have an inverse nonlinear relationship. An inverse linear relationship would suggest that as one variable increases, the other decreases in a straight line fashion, which is not the case here. That's what this would look like. An inverse nonlinear relationship suggests a similar inverse pattern, but not in a linear fashion, which also doesn't apply. So this would be that example. A direct nonlinear relationship suggests both variables increase together, but not in a straight line manner, like that. The correct answer here is A. X and y have a direct linear relationship. According to Newton's second law of motion, force, x, and acceleration, y, are directly proportional, meaning as the force applied to an object increases, its acceleration increases in a linear fashion, provided the mass remains constant. And here's the visual for that. Question number 3. Which of the following inventions has significantly impacted the field of observational astronomy by allowing astronomers to detect and analyze light from distant celestial objects? The steam engine, the charge-coupled device, the printing press, or the lithium-ion battery? As this question is about inventions that impacted observational astronomy and detecting and analyzing light from different objects, I think we can safely eliminate the steam engine, the printing press, and the lithium-ion battery. While the steam engine was crucial in the Industrial Revolution, it has no impact on observational astronomy. The printing press revolutionized the distribution of knowledge, but is completely unrelated to detecting or analyzing light from celestial objects. The lithium-ion battery is essential for powering devices, but doesn't directly affect observational astronomy. The correct answer here, of course, is the charge-coupled device, CCD. This invention has significantly impacted observational astronomy by allowing astronomers to detect and analyze light from distant celestial objects with high precision, greatly enhancing the capability to capture detailed images and data from space. Question number 4. Which engineering advancement played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of quantum mechanics through the empirical observation of the photoelectric effect? Steam engine, transistor, vacuum tube, or hydraulic press? Again, with question 4, I think we can very easily eliminate 2, if not 3, right off the bat. The steam engine and the hydraulic press, and probably transistor. The steam engine was pivotal in the Industrial Revolution, but has zero connection to quantum mechanics or the photoelectric effect. The hydraulic press is used in material processing, but is also completely unrelated to quantum mechanics. The transistor revolutionized electronics, but came after the key discoveries in quantum mechanics and does not directly relate to the observation of the photoelectric effect. The correct answer is vacuum tube. The vacuum tube played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of quantum mechanics by allowing for the empirical observation and study of the photoelectric effect, which was essential in developing the quantum theory. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you can expect to find about the subtopic of nature and impact of science and engineering for the Praxis Physics Content Knowledge exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.